Welcome to the Crelate Connector Employee Center Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the seamless process of logging time and viewing assignments using the Employee Center. To begin, log into your Crelate Connector account and navigate to the Employee Dashboard. Before you can access the Employee Center, your contact information must be linked to your employee user profile. In your dashboard, you will see the timekeeping icon. Click Fill out the required information and add time card. Select an assignment and time type, click OK. Make sure to fill out punch in your daily time on the entered period. Let's begin by understanding regular work hours. A typical workday starts at 7 a.m. and ends at 3 p.m. After you've entered the required information, it's a good practice to save your work. Then you can proceed on your next entry. Let us proceed by entering your evening hours. An evening shift typically begins at 3 p.m. and ends at 11 p.m. For the night shift, you have to enter time twice. For example, the night of August 13th, you have to enter 7 p.m. till 11:59 p.m. On the 14th of August, you should enter 12 a.m. till 7 a.m. These times would need to be clocked on both days to have the time split and work in Crelate timekeeping. Make sure to complete your hours for the pay period. If you need to add a note, click the Add General Note at the top. And now, let's take time to review your entered time on your timesheet. After reviewing and saving your entered hours from your timesheet, you can proceed by clicking the Expense button at the top. Start by clicking the assignment, expense type, the date, and the amount. And provide a brief description. It is mandatory to upload your receipt or any expense proof to add to your invoice form, which is also your timesheet. There are 3 ways to attach your receipt. In a nutshell, these 3 methods simplify receipt attachment for easy use. Please make sure that you attach your physical timesheet before submission. We know it may seem like an extra step, but as required by the facilities, we are ensuring that you get paid accurately and on time. You'll find 3 ways to upload your invoice form. Add a note, then hit the Save button. Upon reviewing your timesheet and your invoice form, you are now ready to click the Submit button. And there you have it. By following these quick and easy steps, you can effortlessly log your time and track expenses using the Crelate Connector dashboard.